Hi guys, rightio, here's the e90 setup. Look down there. That's to the proportioning valve, goes to the front of the master. The master is the 2223. Come on. Oh, you know what? There we go, that's better. The master is the 2223. Goes down to the proportioning valve from the front. From the rear one goes to the T-piece, which goes straight down into the new line that goes to the left-hand caliper, and I only use the right-hand line, and I just bend it. The lines aren't perfect, but they're very close, so you can just bend them around a little. There is a spacer behind the booster, so you don't break. We're not even going to be able to see it because it's perfect. It's like 5mm. I run about a 5 or a 6mm spacer. The vacuum line went on perfectly, and the master cylinder top, hold on, let's poke that on. That will sit there. Perfect. Now I run the e90 master cylinder top on purpose because I like it. Where is it? I have a little... Hold on 2 secs. Right, we have this. So this goes down here. I'll try to put it on a side that I'll be able to get it back out on if I ever need to take the top back off, and that holds that on. So that, it's close. Everything's close, but that's good. That'll work really well. And then you do stuff like, all I have to take off is this. Right. The clevis pin doesn't drop straight in. You have to push that lever from the other side. You got to push it in a little. I lube it all up with some nice moly grease, and then I put it in, and that's my clevis pin and spacers. I don't use the factory one. I've just got a stainless clevis pin I use, and I just modify it so as it suits, and it will take the factory snap clip. Right, we're under driver's side. See the adjuster? Right, let's see if we can... That's better. And I just wind it in. So I undo the nut, pull that out towards you. So like a standard thread, the other side's got the left-hand thread. Series 1 cars have a 17mm nut on that shaft. See? So what you have to do is wind the shaft in, shorten the shaft, and it pulls the pedal further up. And you'll hear brake switch. So we've got it up about where we want it. Got it about level. It's nice. It's actually pretty level. Alright. That's the e92 booster master setup. Goes in real nice and easy. Looks good. It sits on an angle. I don't mind the reservoir the way it is, and the factory lid will go in there and then plug into the wiring that you have. So, where are we? Hold on, I'll get it. Just like that. Plugs in. Works. All looks reasonably neat. Doesn't look out of place. It's newer. It's easy to get masters. It's a good conversion. Now that's a 2223. That's what I recommend most people do for standard front brakes. If you've got a brake kit on the front, I do the 2225. And if you need even more front bias, you go to the 2226. 22mm bore rear, 23, 25 or 26mm front. And always use the front cylinder as the rear because there is a spring in between. And what it does is, if you use it the other way around, you'll be pressing rear brakes. Once the front brake stiffens up, if you keep pushing, you'll be pressing rear brakes. That's how I've perceived it anyway. Yeah. E92 booster, done. Part 3. You have a good day.